Hi, my name is Miss Horn and I'm your instructor for Principles of Accounting 1. I want to welcome you to class and share with you some of the resources available in this course. This is your homepage and this is my contact information. You can also click on inbox over here and message me. And this explains how the course is designed. This is the textbook that we will be using, which you already have access to. You will also have access to my accounting lab, and here's the access code for that, and we'll be using that to work problems. Please take a moment and make sure you get familiar with your home page. All of your work will be done in Canvas modules. So let's take a look at your modules. The first module you'll complete is the online orientation module. Then you will go through your important course information. Once you complete those items, which most of them will be reading and a short quiz or two and a discussion board, then you will get to the accounting stuff. So if you look in module chapter 1, you see that there's a kind of a preview, and then there's a PowerPoint and a PowerPoint lecture. So you can click on the lecture video. I'm going to go back for a second so I can show you. This is a lecture assignment. I may ask you a few questions. Here I just asked if you were able to view the lecture, and after that you'll see a lot of resources. These resources will help you understand important concepts. So get familiar with these resources. And then there are videos down here, and these videos are to cover material that students usually need a little extra help on. And then you may be asked to submit a brief quiz that goes along with the video. On these videos, you can go back and watch the video again. There's not a time limit on the quiz, but you can only submit this quiz one time. So on these quizzes, if you really don't understand the question, you can go back and watch the video and then go back and answer the question. So this is a way to help you actually learn the material and go back and review. Then you will see that your chapter, your dynamic study module, and your chapter homework, which are both in my accounting lab, are down here at the bottom. So you will want to complete the dynamic study module and then complete your homework. So your homework will always be completed at the end after you've done everything in your module. So if you click on your homework, this is my accounting lab, and of course I don't have it connected yet. But if you have any trouble accessing your homework, you can click on the screen up at the top and make sure you are allowing pop-ups. And then there is an ask for help. I'm going to put this at the very bottom of the module so that if you have a question, you can ask for help here, and I can post a video to answer your question, or your classmates may have the same question that you have, and they can look and see your question and where I answered it. So welcome to the class, and if you have any questions, just let me know. I hope you have a great semester.